Good morning. Welcome to another episode of the You Only Live Once Life and Business Innovation Style Meditations. And today I'm Ying Han bringing you another meditation to a yummy day ahead of you. We've got 200 and more meditations on this channel already. And if you were watching this from YouTube, but if you're from Insight Timer, we just have a few, but getting lots and lots of traffic there. So if you want gong and drum meditations, stay on Insight Timer. And here we have a lot of very practical ones as well. Today's meditation is all about having a productive day. Having a productive day is one of the biggest challenges that everyone has, especially if you are not having a productive day or not having a very effective streak of work days. And so one of the ways that's easiest to create that productive day is actually to pre-prime your mind and pre-prime your habits, because habits are repetitive behaviors that create a certain result. And if you want to change that result that your certain habit of behaviors have been creating, then you've got to change something down the line or up the stream, which is your mindset, because your mindset creates beliefs ingrain create habits, and then bad habits create bad results. So if you want to go from unproductivity in a streak, because like more unproductivity creates more unproductivity, and it's really difficult to get onto the productive streak. So if you're going from an unproductive streak in a day and you want to create a productive streak, then you've got to change some of the mindsets. So one of the things that we're going to do today is we're going to let go of some mindsets that don't serve a productive day mindset and install some new mindsets along the way. I've actually been really inspired by Joe Dispenza's work. A lot of my friends are watching his work and listening to it, and some even doing 3-hour meditations per day from zero. And so I realized like a lot of the structures of what he talks about are things that we apply in our meditations daily as well. So it's just a different way to explain similar experiences. And I'm also going to go listen to his stuff and see like what actually is different, and also include that in our own way into our yummy meditations. So whenever you're ready, I would love for you to stretch your back, open up your bodies, and open up your airways so that you can really breathe into this. Hands to the back and breathe in. Hands to the top and breathe in. One hand holding the other hand to go to one side, breathe in. Other hand holding the other hand, go to one side, breathe in. Now palms facing upwards on your knees. And begin breathing in deeply, in and out. Taking deep breaths in. Noticing every part of your body that feels heavy, feels lethargic, feels like it wants to stay in bed. Breathe into that. And your out breath, release it. Breathe into that again. Release any density that you feel in your body, any feelings of dread to the future. Breathing in white light from above. This is the light of your ultimate concentration, your centering, your alignment to what you need to do next. Breathe into that. And let that flow through your body and expand as you exhale. Do it again. Breathe in. And let the focus and the concentration and also the productivity, the feeling of being able to be in flow through your body. Breathing into the parts of your body that feels resistance to completing whatever it is that you want to complete today. Breathe into that. You may even locate it in parts of your body if that feels particularly tense. Breathe into that. And as you exhale, shine that light within it and release it into the bottom of the earth. And again. And move it. And again. Beautiful. And again. Imagine blue and purple flames all around you, burning away any and all negative behaviors, thought patterns, habits in the past that prevent you from creating a flowing, productive day. Breathe into that. And let that fire burn like the biggest fire you've seen, and burn away the old habits once and for all, the ones that are ready to be let go of today. Burn it. Breathe in. And release. As you release, allow that fire to burn even deeper into your psyche, into your heart, into your body. Breathe in that fire through your entire system, burning away everything that's meant to be let go of, as well as opening the doors for more things to show up that can be let go of throughout the week, so you can also let those go. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, let that fire burn darker and just more hot and more vibrantly, and cross and do that surgical work it needs to do in your body. And again. And again. Beautiful. And one last time. All over your shoulders and your back, let that fire burn right through. And one more from the back. Breathe in that fire from the back. All right. Now I want you to draw in the attention and the energy of flow and productive day, the most productive you've ever been. Feel as if you feel that. Breathe as if you're breathing that in. Breathe that in. Activate your whole body so that it's very, very much like your ideal state of being, an ideal version of you as you're going on and creating that productive day. Breathe in. And let that fill your body up with a person who you know feels productive. So feel as productive as you can ever be, and breathe that in. Ease, include ease in there, include joyfulness, include yummy productivity, include that sense of juiciness, breathing that in. And as you exhale, release everything that is not in alignment with this. Breathing that in again, and allow any emotions to come through, and you breathe through it. Breathe in. And up the notch of yummy productivity by 1,000 folds. Breathe in. As you exhale, expand that. Breathe in again. Expand into the city. Breathe in again. And expand it into this country. Lastly, breathe in. Expand it into this universe. Beautiful. Slowly come back to the present moment. Loving you so, so, so much. Do these meditations every day. There has a compound effect, and doing it once is not going to change your life. So come back often, subscribe, and so you can receive the notifications of the latest meditations that are up. And of course, comment below and tell me how you experience this. I love you so, so, so much. I'll talk to you soon. Mwah!